Hi, this is Brian Nelson with Intermarine, and we're proud to showcase the Belzona line of boats, starting with the 27 all the way up to the 40. Come on inside and we'll take a look. Here we have our 2019 27 walk-around equipped with twin 200 Mercuries. It's a great versatile boat. Gives everybody a chance to have some fun, enjoy the water, whether you're hitting the sandbar, jumping across to the islands, or taking a cruise down the intercoastal. We have a full walk around. You've got a chance for a cabin down below with a full head. It's equipped with rod holders. We have the Taco outriggers. We have the Garmin 7616 electronics package. Here you see the lounger on our 32 center console. This is one of my favorite spots. This is a great spot to enjoy the day with your family and friends. Here you see this is one of our most popular boats, and once you get aboard you'll see why. There's so much space, it's nice and roomy. It really has a world-class fit and finish with the ride quality to match. Gives you a nice option for seating whether you want it or not. If you want to lounge, folds down for some nice comfortable seating. And when you want some room for fishing or moving about, it folds away nice and clean. Keeps a nice, clean, aesthetic lines of the boat. Here we've got some extra seating. It's hidden, tucked away. One of the coolest features about the Belzona is the sliding door. All the customers wow and rave over this particular unique and patented design to our company. The Belzona 32 walk-around offers lots of room and different functions for enjoying the boat. Here and aft, we have a kitchenette prep area for cooking, dining, lounging. Down below, we have the cabin with sleeping quarters for two, with a full-size head and separate shower. This is a nice option here. It tucks away, folds away nice and neat and clean. You got nice LED lighting throughout the vessel. This boat really looks awesome at night. Here you see our sliding door in the 32 Belzona walk-around with two release clips. And she slides open to give you great access to whether you're docking or jumping in the water. You see it's nice and wide. It's been made so that it's wheelchair accessible. And you'll notice how smooth the function is. It's easy to operate and close. Then again, you just use the locking pins. Here at Intermarine, we're proud to showcase the Belzona boats. The entire fleet consists of a 27 walk-around, 27 center console, 32 center console, 32 walk-around, and the flagship 40 center console. We have 3 in stock right now, ready to go. And if you'd like to order a boat, we're happy to sit down with you and order the boat to satisfy your needs, whatever your boating preferences may be.